Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So the product pricing condition analysis is being discussed for last few videos. And first of all, we showed you the minif function, and then we showed you without using the min function, and then we started the VBA style of developing the solution, right? And that is going to be in a couple of presentations. So in the part one, we showed you how to develop a macro that's do initially preparatory work, and now today we are going to further make the progress in that. Okay, so let's open this part two of this. This is a copy of the part one, and we will make further progress in our video. Okay, so we did this. We created a start button, which actually goes there and puts the formula in here, right? That is concatenation. It sorts it and gets back to the sheet, right? So it is error. It does it and it comes back. Okay? Let's even if we delete it, let's see if it does it, it brings it, and even the deleted formula is back. That's what we wanted to happen. Okay, this is the first step which we have done. Now we would replace the formulas in here automatically, and we will replace the values in here so that the formulas is not shown and only the result comes. That that will bring economy of the file size, because when you have thousands of transaction state on which you need the current sale price and the last minute price, so there may be tens of thousands of transaction dates, and how would you if you are writing these formulas, the file size will be extraordinarily very high. So VBA will bring the economy. Okay, so let's go to the start button in which we have the formula signing and we edit it, right? So this is our procedure so far. All it does is that it does some work in there, and my sort is executed, and that's it. Okay, now so here we put a stop so that it comes into the break mode, and we do the rest of the job. So let's run it so that it stops it right now. Now it is saying what to do, my lord. Okay, so okay, we give the instructions here that please write these formula. First of all, we want to know what is the last row. Last row is equal to, say, range. This will be exactly the same thing which we have it, so no need to type it again. So we take it here. Right. So let's make it. We can still use it. LR is equal to this. Okay, that's fine. So this time you have a new LR. What is it? It is 2548. How many rows? So until right from the row 2 until the 2548, we need some formula to be written and bring the result and then this value so that the formula is invisible and the file size is shortened. Okay. So what to do? So simple is that we will use this formula. Yeah. This command, it is most likely to be like this formula, but not E2. It is C2. It is going to be C2 to CLR, right? And what is the formula? The formula is very straightforward. Yeah. So we pick directly the formula directly from here. Right. We pick it and we place this formula in here and between these two ports. And any ports which are appearing within this formula have to be doubled as a rule, right? Otherwise, it will give two problems. Okay, so these two will not be double. Any other ports, if appearing in the formula, have to be double. That's simple. Okay, so you have done one thing. So let's remove this formula and see if this works or not. Okay, Alt F11. So what we do here, we bring this formula. Sorry, we bring the sheet. Yeah, and I'm sorry, the chart was here because I pressed the wrong. Okay, so let me delete it. I want this sheet to be deleted. Okay, that's right. Okay, so what we do here is we want to see whether this command works properly or not. Yes, it has brought all these things. At the same time, we would like this to be replaced with the values, right? Let's write this dot copy, yeah, that copy, and then we will write this dot paste special dot paste special. What is special in this case? Yes, Excel values. Paste all the Excel paste values. That's it. Hey, so let's do it again so that we see that what we are doing, the computer is following too. Sometimes it happens that we presume that it would work fine, but the things go otherwise. Okay, so let's try it again. Yeah, it's done. And this time there is no formula, right? There's no formula in here. It has got all the values, but the formula is hidden. It's gone. It's not there. Okay? And what to do this? The same thing we can do with this, and you can do the same thing again. Okay, so I leave this for the next video, and so that you can try off your own, and then I will show you how this can be done, and you can later verify if it is fair enough with you or other thing. I hope you liked this video, and see you in our next video. Thank you very much.